In today's video, I'll show you on how you can upload files to Google Drive automatically with n8n. So basically, you want to head over to the application right here, log in your account, and you will be able to select with the try an AI workflow or to start from scratch. In my case, I'll just start from scratch. So the first thing that you want to do is to select our trigger. In my case, I want to trigger this on schedule. So every time or every day, it will then automatically upload something into my Google Drive. From there, you then want to simply select the execute step. And right after that, we then have managed to set our rule set, like the trigger interval. We have the days between triggers at hour, and lastly triggers at minute. Now that we have our trigger, you can then start adding our Google Drive. So just click on the plus icon. In here, you then want to select Drive, and then we have the ability to select to one of these functions. In my case, I want to upload a file automatically. So you want to connect your Google Drive with n8n, which is to add your credentials. Now you can just follow the instructions in order for you to add your credentials for n8n. And from here, we also have to add the resource, which we'll be able to select right here. And then you have your operation, the search method, and more. You can just customize the properties for Google Drive, and from there you have successfully uploaded files to Google Drive automatically with n8n. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.